Hello, welcome to our deep dive into dynamic pricing in the accommodation industry. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your pricing strategy, we'll show you how dynamic pricing can really improve your business operations, as well as your bottom line. All right, let's get into it. Dynamic pricing is a pricing strategy that has become widely adopted by hoteliers in recent years. It adapts in real time to market demand, allowing for data-based adjustments to room rates. To put it simply, dynamic pricing, when done right, will automatically check supply and demand trends and adjust your room rates accordingly. So, in essence, this approach helps hoteliers maximize for revenue and have more control over their hotel's occupancy rates. Moving beyond the basic static pricing models, dynamic pricing adjusts rates continuously. This means offering the perfect rate at the perfect moment. But how does it really work in the real world, and what does it look like? Well, seasonal trends can have a massive impact from a dynamic pricing approach. For instance, during peak summer period or winter holidays, dynamic pricing tools automatically adjust rates based on current market conditions, past trends, and future bookings. Local events like sports games, cultural festivals, or conferences can create unexpected demand spikes, leading to massive revenue opportunities. Dynamic pricing tools proactively adjust your rates and assure you capitalize by charging more when demand is high. There are many solutions on the market that can cater to different needs or business sizes. For instance, RateGain delivers great market insights. Ideas offers solid forecasting for larger operations. And RevPAR Guru merges pricing with distribution strategies. Each provides unique advantages for different types of accommodations. However, these tools often come with a steep learning curve and require significant investments of both time and money to fully set up and utilize. Preno's approach to dynamic pricing is designed with those challenges in mind. Our dynamic pricing tools, surge pricing and last-minute pricing, simplify rate adjustments, automating them to match demand changes. All you need to do is set up your dynamic pricing rules and let Preno do the rest. I'll give you a quick overview of both of them in action. Sound good? Alright, first up, Preno's surge pricing tool. It's super simple. As your occupancy rises, so do your rates. This tool increases prices as fewer rooms become available, ensuring maximum revenue during peak demand periods. It's ideal for adapting to things like local events or seasonal trends. Setting up dynamic pricing in Preno is super straightforward too. Here's a quick little overview of what it looks like. Okay. First up, you'll want to log into your Preno account. Head over to the rates section, then click on the big green button to go to dynamic pricing. For studio rooms, if there are 4 or fewer rooms left, the daily rate bumps up by $5. 2 rooms left, that's a $12 increase. And if only 1 room remains, the rate climbs by $15. This staggered approach optimizes your earnings right up until the no vacancy sign flickers on. Next up, Preno's last-minute pricing tool adjusts rates downwards as unsold rooms approach the check-in date, helping fill rooms that might otherwise stay vacant. This tool reduces rates slightly, ensuring that while your occupancy increases, you still maintain profitability in your room pricing. Head over to the Rates tab. Here you'll see a big green button called Go to Dynamic Pricing. Go ahead and click that. Okay, select Create Rule on the top right. On this page, start by choosing the room types that this rule will apply to. Preno's last-minute pricing tool automatically checks the triggers and makes adjustments at the start of each day. For example, let's set a trigger for when there's at least 1 room remaining 2 days from today. Here, we'd reduce the daily rate by, say, 10. Next, set the lowest rate. This is your floor price that you're comfortable with, ensuring rates never drop too low, no matter how close the booking is. Now, individually, each tool has its strengths, but when combined, they create a really powerful synergy. This dual pricing strategy ensures that you're optimizing revenue opportunities from every angle, raising prices when the demand allows and reducing them just enough to ensure occupancy during those quieter periods. This flexible approach to pricing means you're always prepared, no matter what the market conditions. It's all about making smart, informed adjustments to rates that keep your occupancy high and your revenue even higher. If you're new to Preno and came across this video and want to have a nosy around with our software, feel free to jump over to our website and start a free trial. We understand that it's super important for hoteliers to have a good play around with new software and see if it's the right fit for their business. So we do offer a 7-day free trial of Preno to do just that. Also, there's no credit card details or commitments required, which is nice. Thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. If you want to stay up to date with helpful how-to guides for hoteliers, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing regular videos to help empower hotel owners, so it's definitely worth your while. Alright, stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time.